Morning guys, so I'm going to do my healthy morning routine for you today, although these bed sheets just make it so hard to get out of bed in the morning. I've actually switched to all bamboo, 100% bamboo bedding, which I experienced in Mexico last year, and then my friend Sarah found the bedding company online and she was like, you have to switch to bamboo bedding because it's so soft. It's like sleeping on a cloud. Talking of clouds, look who I've found. And my pillows are from the work company and they're like hotel pillows. Oh, I love them. But let's get up and seize the day. I wanted to share with you my like healthy morning routine, but it to be a little bit more than just like my workout and what I eat. So I'm going to show you how I turn myself around in a healthy way before 10 AM and do my skincare and makeup as well throughout this video. So let's get up. So every day without fail, I have a cup of tea, which you'll know if you watch my pregnancy vlogs actually. I literally have cravings for cups of tea like 24 hours a day. But I normally have my cup of tea with either 2 slices of toast or a banana. I'm going for a banana today. Buzzy's already up working. He's getting to work on the hair extensions, which is exciting. Oh, spoiler alert, I'm coming out with hair extensions. Ah! But that's something to do with my business with Castaway Beauty, so stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna have my cup of tea and my banana, and then we're gonna do a little workout, which I try and do 3 out of 7 mornings a week. And then we'll do some skincare, makeup and get ready. I absolutely love watching healthy morning routines on YouTube. It just gets me so motivated for the day. Sometimes I just watch them whilst I'm in bed to try and get me out of bed. Okay, gym wear time. So I'm gonna wear my Gymshark crop and look at these shorts. These are the Flex range. I am obsessed. So I'm gonna put those on and then let's go and work out. Okay, so I've got my Gymshark outfit on. It fits so nicely and obviously accommodates my growing bump, which is actually popping out a little bit today. Now, I'm not going to go too in depth with this exercise. I literally did a whole video dedicated to kind of training throughout pregnancy in episode 5 of my pregnancy journey vlogs. So go and check that out if you want to know kind of what's safe and my experience with exercise, everything like that. But I normally use a kettlebell when I'm working out from home, and I do a mixture of arms, legs, booty. Obviously during pregnancy I don't let myself get too out of breath and work my body too hard, but obviously we need to challenge it to stay fit. It's important to know your limits. Okay, so let's go and get showered. Here we are. Feeling fresh. I do like to give my face a little extra cleanse though, but I'm going to dry my hair first and then continue with my skincare. Ta-da! My hair dries so quickly because it's very fine, but yeah, I'll probably wear extensions today anyway, but I'm just going to put it up. It smells so good because I've used the Garnier hair food mask and the banana shampoo and conditioner. Oh, and talking of Garnier, I've actually teamed up with them to bring you a segment of this video to show you some of my favourite products that are actually in the sale. As if drugstore products weren't affordable enough already. Superdrug have an amazing summer sale, which I think goes on until the 11th of August. And I've chosen some of my favourite products from that sale to use in my morning routine. And of course, they're all products that I have tried, tested and loved for a long time. The banana hair food conditioner that I literally swear by is also in the sale. So, bargain. There's amazing discounts across like L'Oreal, Garnier, Maybelline. You guys know how much I love Maybelline. I just want to cleanse the residue off of my face, so I'm starting off with the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. It's just going to give my skin that extra bit of like cleansing and smoothing that it needs. I'm just going to make sure that I get every last bit of dirt off of my skin. This one is actually fragrance free, which is obviously very good and kind for the skin. Something I actually do throughout my morning is just continue to add to my to-do list. So today I have lots of admin with Hot Ombre, and I like to get that done in the morning, and then I like to plan out like my content for the week, be it photos or filming, lip tutorials, makeup, baby content. I'm 5 months pregnant now, guys. Nearly 22 weeks. How crazy is that? Time is just flying, and I'm so excited to find out if I'm having a little boy or a girl. And already since having my breakfast and a workout, it's only 8 AM still, by the way, and I'm gonna get through this 2-litre bottle of water, no, 1.5-litre bottle of water. By the time it gets to lunchtime, I'm trying to consciously drink more water now I'm pregnant, and I just feel like for me, filling up a bottle of water, I've reused this many times, but it's best to use a recycled bottle or a bottle for life. It just reminds me that I need to drink this by the afternoon, and then I'll try and drink another one by the evening. Okay, now for skincare. I have to say I've been loving the L'Oreal Replumping Anti-Aging Day Care Cream. It's the Revitalift Filler one, and it's so rich and creamy. I've actually used the serum as well. That's part of this range, but the plumping cream is just what I need to add a surge of hydration, and it's a really nice base for my makeup as well. Oh, it smells so fresh. So you guys know me, I mean, I could spend hours on skincare and makeup. However, today is about feeling revitalised and fresh in a quick amount of time, and of course showing you my routine of how I do so. I mean, it could be easy for me to just work from my bed all day, especially if I've just got editing and admin. But honestly, I will never feel as good as when I do a workout, have a good breakfast, and feel fresh from a good skincare and a little bit of makeup to make me feel and look less tired, especially for the Zoom calls I'm anticipating later. But I'm just going to use this to bring some light to the places that just look quite dull right now. It's so quick and easy to use. I'm actually going to blend with my fingers today. My skin is feeling so soft from cleansing and moisturising. When I have a bit more time, I use a variety of the Eraser Eye shades to create contour and a bit more coverage and depth, but I just wanted to kind of brighten my face, and we're going to bring back the warmth with bronzer now. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze bronzer in the shade 02 Sun Kiss. I have to say this is perfect for bronzing and contouring. I mean, I could contour until the cows come home, but I just want a light dusting of warmth. And actually, let's use a little bit of blush as well. I'm going to use the Life is a Peach Addict shade. Actually, oh, it smells of peaches too. By L'Oreal Paris, this blush is just divine. Oh, it makes my makeup brush smell so good as well. Now I need to make my eyes look a little bit more awake. I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Platinum Black Mascara. You can see my skin is looking a lot more fresh than it was, but we haven't got loads of makeup on. It's not caked up, it's going to wear well throughout the day. It's also the perfect base to just be talking on my stories and feeling a little bit fresher. Not to mention that, to be honest, this has taken about 5 minutes so far. Wow, that length and volume though. I mean, look at my lashes. Did this video just turn into how to get the longest lashes ever? Because I'm shook. Okay, I'm going to stop now before they actually reach my forehead. So it's no secret that I'm obsessed with the Superstay Matte Inks by Maybelline. I'm going to use the shade Self Starter today, which is a really gorgeous, like, it's almost like a rose toned pink nude. Oh, the smell of these lipsticks just reminds me of New York, because I actually went to New York with Maybelline 2 years running actually, but last year I went with them for New York Fashion Week, and I pretty much wore these. I mean, I wear them a lot, but I specifically wore the matte inks every day in New York, and it just brings back memories. I just love it when perfumes and smells and products bring back memories of certain holidays and special times in your life. But yeah, let's apply this. I'm feeling alive. So that's my little 5 to 10 minute spruce up to make me feel a little bit more put on for the day. Oh, and I need to moisturise because I've been using a variety of different like stretch mark creams for my pregnant belly, but something I always do after moisturising all over is add a little bit of like tan or a glow mist or something. I want to achieve the glow that I get in the sun without the damage these days. So I thought I'd show you one of the products that's in the sale as well because it's one of my favourites. It's the Natural Bronzer Self Tan Mist by Garnier, and I love it because it's just such a fine mist that I can spray straight to my body without having to rub it in. Okay, let me turn my hair around quickly. What are we doing? Oh my gosh, I never wear my natural hair down without extensions or anything really, but I have to say, I think I'm gonna rock it today, guys. It's freshly washed, and the 3-in-1 hair food mask I've been using for the past year, and it's definitely improved the condition of my hair. Like, it's a lot more nourished and I'm experiencing less breakage. I'll just use a little bit of hairspray to fix the texture of it so it doesn't go flat straight away. But here we are, I'm feeling good, and what's the time? 8:30, we're doing well, guys. Let's go down together, get dressed, and I'll show you how I prep for the morning. So as tempting as it is for me every day when I'm working from home to just slob about in my dressing gown, it's so important for me to get dressed just so I'm ready physically and mentally. But that doesn't mean I don't have to be comfortable, so tracksuits it is. And by the way, if you want an amazing comfy bra recommendation for whether you're pregnant or you just really like comfort, then Boo Avenue is the place. I love this one. This is just like, I think the seamless or nude comfort bra or something, but honestly, best investment. Like, I have to say, the comfort and support, 10 out of 10. Okay, so this is the part where I sit down and I go through my notes. I literally write everything in my notes from like, get up, get ready. But I've made my morning to-do list, and you can see that I've ticked off everything I need to do. I've got the afternoon list as well, but I mean, considering it's still the morning, I'm starting to get hungry as well. I've done a lot, and I'm about to start with my admin now, so drink more water. If I don't write it down, I honestly forget about it. Honestly, I feel so much better when I'm hydrated. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with my admin now. I've got to reply to emails, do some hot ombre admin, and then I'll check back in and show you what I'm gonna have for lunch in a bit. Hiya. The amount of times in one day that I look into this fridge. But I've actually recently signed up to get some prep meals delivered. So Rice and Spice, I think they're based in Hitchin, Hertfordshire. Matar Paneer rice and veg, so a little vegetarian ready meal. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. If I had something like, I don't know, avocado on toast or more of a carby breakfast, I probably wouldn't eat so early, but it's 11 AM and I'm feeling peckish, so let's have a little prep meal. I think it's like 400 calories, very healthy, and it's going to keep me full until the afternoon. Oh, this is actually delicious. Yummy. Okay, so I'm going to crack on with the rest of my list now. I hope that you've enjoyed my healthy morning routine. It's only mid-morning and we've achieved so much, and my face is glowing, so make sure to check out all the products that are in the Superdrug summer sale. I'll leave links to anything I've used in this video below. Let me know what your healthy morning routine habits are. Please subscribe for my weekly videos, and can't wait to see you in the next one. Love you lots, beauties. Bye.